everybody, this is Chris, your dependable host for all things REED. You know, I heard the L4N1XP wrench was amazing, and guess what? They're using it right behind me at this job site. Let's see if we can see it in action. The first thing I notice here is that the L4N1XP has a rugged grip handle, which makes it very comfortable and user-friendly in your hands. Plus, the directional switch for forward and reverse is in a perfect place, allowing for quick and easy adjustment. Also, it's called the 4-in-1 because, well, you only need one wrench for all jobs since it comes with 4 different sockets. Making life easier? That's right up my alley. But check it out, what really makes it an XP is the protection on the outside of the ratchets so that they don't get dirty and gummed up on the job site. You see, in the past, if those gears were not cleaned properly, well, the wrench was clocking out way before you. Not anymore. But of course, don't just take my word for it.
I think that's wise that you got it so when it gets muddy it won't kink up. Everything operates exactly the same as the one I'm used to and it's smooth.
Let me tell you, if you want an excellent wrench, the L4N1XP will turn you in the right direction. Visit www.reedmfgco.com and get yours today.